Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Check MIUI and Android so you know where options live. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions while toggling settings. Now open Settings and go straight to Notifications and Control Center. You will act on app notifications and system permissions from here. This is faster than hunting app by app, and it prevents pop-ups by controlling who can display on top or send promoted notices. Next, go into Installed Apps and inspect apps showing ads. Revoke permissions like draw over other apps or display pop-ups. Once done, return to Settings Privacy and turn off personalized ads and MIUI ad suggestions to reduce algorithmic promotions across system apps. Make sure to disable Auto Start for apps that repeatedly show ads and clear their cache or data if they persist. These steps stop apps from launching overlays and reduce targeted pushes, which collectively cuts the free. Finally, run a security app scan to detect adware and uninstall any suspicious applications. This cleans hidden ad modules. Make sure system apps and MIUI are updated, then reboot so permission changes take effect. If the problem continues, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is the culprit. If ads stop in safe mode, uninstall recently installed apps one by one. As a key troubleshooting tip, factory reset only as a last resort after backing up data when all else fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.